Hi, my name is Constancia with Isidora Designs, and today I'm going to show you how to make an adorable toiletry wrap. Isn't this cute? Just pull the bow, lift the flap, hold your toothbrush and your toothpaste. And thanks to Big Z Fabrics for providing us with this wonderful fabric. This is the toiletry wrap. Toothpaste, toothbrush. These are our pieces. This is the pocket. It folds in half, goes right there, and then you have two pieces, one for the inside and one for the outside. The pieces measure 5.5 by 16.5, and you cut two of those. The pocket measures 5.5 by 9. And the ribbon is, you cut 2 feet, and then, I just snip it in half and we'll tie it on the ends. I'll show you that. So the first step is we're going to fold this in half and single needle it around here. Okay, and I'll be back. Okay, so right now we have one big pocket. We need to make a pocket. We're going to measure out 3.5 left to right, and all I do is do a quick pin and eyeball the straight line once I get on the sewing machine. We're going to do a couple steps here. So we're going to make the pocket. Here's the ribbon. I'm going to cut it in half. And we're going to pin it half on the pocket, half on the back part, and we want to let it hang over like a little bit more than 1/4 of an inch. And we'll pin this side. Now we're going to sew this on top. We're going to go sew 3 sides so we can pull it through, reverse it, top stitch it, make it look beautiful, and just be careful with the straps. Maybe want to tuck them so they don't get caught up in the sewing machine. We're going to sew the long side, the short side on the bottom, and up the long side, and just a little bit up here so when you reverse it you'll be able to make a nice clean finish across the top. Alright, so I sewed it on the 3 sides. I left an opening here. And pull it through. You know what I'm trying to do here. Let me get this all straightened out and I'll show you the next step. Alright, this is it all pulled right side out, and this was the opening. We're going to fold that in a little bit and top stitch across that, and we're going to top stitch all the way around, make it look nice and pretty. Okay, so we did a nice top stitch all around, and look how cute that is. These are great gifts. There you go. Adorable, custom made. Cute. This is adorable. Thanks for watching. Isidora Designs, in collaboration with Big Z Fabric, enjoyed showing you how to make the adorable toiletry wrap. See you next time.